Hey guys, Pat de la Guardia here, and today we're going to talk about Microsoft Teams. So I wanted to make a tips and tricks video focused on Microsoft Teams because a lot of us are working remotely right now. And Teams doesn't just let you send messages or make video calls, it also helps you share files, view applications, and even use these applications all within Teams. So that's what we're going to do today. So let's get started. So I'm going to go into Teams, I'm going to go into a channel, and the first thing I'm going to do is click this plus sign. So I'm going to click on the Power BI tab, go into my workspace, select the report, and save. Now the Power BI report is embedded into my team. Now not every team is going to have the same report, so depending on the team and the channel, you can embed different reports. So I'm going to go into this Files tab, click on it, and you see that you're able to create a new file, upload a file, copy a link, download, etc. So you're able to do a lot all within Teams. So let's go back into this plus sign, and I am going to integrate an external application. And by what I mean by external application is that Microsoft lets you integrate other applications outside of their Microsoft stack. For example, Asana. So I'm going to click on Asana. I'm going to click on my test project that I have. And there we go. So we have Asana integrated within Teams right now. And Asana is a product and project management tool. So the last thing I want to do is click this plus sign. And if you've seen my previous videos, I've used forms to distribute leads via Teams using Power Automate. And you can actually maybe embed another form for maybe taking some time off, maybe updating equipment, things like that, where you can live within this workspace. Let's go to leads form. And what I'm going to do is just show you, and maybe you guys want to put an approval process using Microsoft Flow and have this all live within Teams. So I'm just going to put tab test, and I'll put Dynamics. We're going to submit, and it should go into the Dynamics leads channel. And there you go. So as you guys have seen before, I was able to process a lead through this, but this could be just a request for something else instead. So going back into here, we see everything that we were able to embed, right? A Power BI report, Asana, which is an external application, not part of the Microsoft stack, and then a form. So that's it for me, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this tips and tricks video. There will be more to come. You guys take care.